hold up, what are these? I did not expect to find these. They got the Allemanier. I just got told I couldn't record at that outlet. Today we're going to as many Nike outlets as I possibly can in one day to see what sneaker deals we can find and if you can still find really good sneaker deals at the Nike outlet. So now on the back wall, they've got like every Sakai. They've got the Sakai LD waffles, the undercovers in blue and purple, and red and gray. And they also have the Cause Sakais too. Looks like they also have a bunch of the Golf 1 lows. And now that everything's on the back wall, they're all 20% off, which is kind of cool. Not 30% off. I wonder if there's like another sale going on, because usually when they only do 20% off on the back wall, it means that there's another sale. If they have these guys though in my size, which I'm having trouble finding, I think I'm gonna grab them. Now we're over at the Nike Refurbished wall. Let's see if we can find anything crazy over here. We got these Jordan 37s right here, which are pretty clean. We got these guys, which are golf shoes, I think. I've never seen these before. Golf 6s, NRGs. But nothing over in the men's refurbished section, it looks like. Well, these are, but they're not in the refurbished box, so I'm assuming that they're not refurbished. Because usually anything in a refurbished box is like half of retail, so 93 bucks, which is amazing for this, which was originally $185. Got the Grillmaster Classics right here for $54. Usually $75. I actually really love this shoe, I'm not gonna lie. Cleaner than people think. So they still got all of the undefeated Air Forces. I always call them the Stussy Air Forces. You guys hate when I do it. I'm gonna start calling them that just because you guys hate it. But we got the Stussy Air Forces in 2 different colorways. We still got a bunch of the ambushes. Now 149 in the green colorway and 109 in the blue colorway. That's wild. And then these really dope dunk mids, which I actually really like. I love dunk mids, and it looks like they've got a bunch of different sizes. Probably full retail 110. But super clean colorway. Dope Stussies, love these. So they still got both colorways of the Billie Eilishes for 80 bucks. That is not bad. Not something I want still, but 80 bucks is a great price. Even weeks later, they still got these guys now for 69. The Cause, the red colorway, must sell better because they didn't put this on the back wall, just purple colorway, but for 114. And then these guys, the Acronym Blazer lows are now 80 bucks. Wow, this is crazy seeing this stuff sitting. I can't believe it, especially for months. These Blazers are kind of clean for 90 bucks. Kind of have an off-white vibe to them. Not something I need though. Oh, hold up, what are these? The Nike Dunk Low Women's Twist. Kind of have an Acronym vibe because they got the Nike swoosh coming off the back. That weird bubbly area in the back. What is that? They're not bad actually. I don't think they go for anything, but cool looking sneaker, cool find if you're a size 8 women, size 6.5 men's. We got some more Jordan Mules over here too. I actually really like these a lot. What size are these? Size 9 women's. Nice, they do fit big. So if you're a guy like me with size 9 feet, they got a bunch of sizes actually. Wow, size 10, size 7. I actually really dig these a lot. I didn't keep my pair, but I do like them. We got the Jordan 1 Elevates over here, at least I think that's what they call them. They've got this giant midsole, kind of ridiculous, but the colorway is dope. Just like the New Beginnings pack, Air Jordan 1s. Love those. Hold up, they got the Allemanier 12s in kid sizes? Nah, that's crazy. Look at this. I knew they weren't selling like crazy, but this is wild. That's nuts. I'm not gonna grab any because I don't have anyone or know anyone that's this exact size that I could give those to, but still pretty wild. Oh, and they got the playoffs. Wow, the kids got some heat. That's nuts. And they got these 12s that I've never seen before with this like embroidered flower on it. But if I was gonna grab something here today, probably these, maybe these, but probably these. But they're not my size, so there's no point. They got some dope Air More up-tempos for $139, full family sizing. And these dope Air Max 1s. These PRM, these are super clean. I dig these. And these corduroy Air Maxes. They also still have all the Noctas for $149. In like every size, dope colorway. So I've been tempted by these Cherry 12 low golf shoes for a while, and they're finally down to $179. I mean, it's still too much, because you can buy them on StockX for like $120, but maybe one day. They do have these Jordan Jumpman 2021s, which look a lot like the Jordan, whatever the most recent one was, the 37? I'm not sure. And then they've also got the Code.jp, or a version of the Code.jp is the Golf ones, which is cool, full retail though. They do have these Golf 12s for $179 plus 20% off, which is not bad. That's just something to consider. I don't know if I need to buy them, but they got them. They'll probably be there for a while, so I could probably leave them, come back next time and grab them, hopefully when they're cheaper. So I'm not really seeing anything that I want, but these LD waffles are still tempting. Even though I've grabbed like 6 pairs of them, they are still tempting, especially now that they've gotten cheaper and cheaper. And they've got the Cause too. They've also got like a lot of limited LeBrons, which is kind of surprising. So, nothing that I really want. Let me see what they have behind the counter. Oh, hold up. They got Bordeaux 5s, they got Playoff 13s, they got Rui Hachimura 8s. So unfortunately, I just got told I couldn't record at that outlet, which has happened once before, but then a couple times after I was good. So I don't know if I can go back. We'll see what happens. I don't think I'm kicked out, I just can't record there. It just kind of sucks, because there was some good stuff that I did want. They got Bordeaux 5s, they got Playoff 13s, Rui Hachimura 8s, but not grabbing it. So I don't know, man. I want to be mad about it, but I'm not. I get it. Like, they have policies. I guess I was not following the policies, although it is frustrating. Actually, this is the only outlet. This one in New Jersey is the only outlet I've ever gotten in trouble for recording for, but none of the other ones. I don't know. It is what it is. On to the next outlet. Also, no pickups because I was gonna buy something, then they told me I couldn't record, and then I got salty and then I left. Actually, now that we're headed to the next Nike outlet, it's a perfect time to tell you guys about the sponsor of today's video, Sole Premise. Now, I actually brought my Sole Premise bag with me because I'm gonna use this bag to hold all the sneakers that we pick up in today's outlet vlog. Now, unfortunately, we haven't found anything yet, but hopefully we can fill up this bag with some dope sneakers later on. If you guys wanna check out Sole Premise, they make sneaker bags specifically designed for sneakers. I guess that's why they're called sneaker bags, but they're really high quality. You've got duffels, you've got backpacks, now they've got a suitcase. Not only are Sole Premise bags great for carrying all your sneakers, some bags hold 2 pairs, some bags hold 5 pairs, it really depends on the bag that you're grabbing, but they're also all TSA approved, which means you can bring them onto the airplane with you rather than having to check them underneath the plane, which is great for your valuable sneakers. And if you guys want to check out Sole Premise for yourself, make sure to use my code SETH for 40% off your entire order. You guys should definitely check it out, and also click that link at the top of the description below. But with all that being said, huge thank you to Sole Premise for sponsoring today's video. Let's hit up the next outlet. Okay, first stop, back wall. Let's see if we can find anything worthwhile. Some cool Air Maxes here. Like a nice pink and blue colorway, I kind of dig those. Oh, we got some Jordan 2s. Right up here, size 5.5 for $150, plus 20% off. Got the Refurbished section right here. Is there anything worthwhile here? That's the only thing that I want. These guys, these are pretty cool. For how much? 102. Got some Huaraches over here for $125. Not a bad price in the Refurbished section. How they look, actually. Brand new, looks like. Without the box, obviously. But other than that, looks like they're in great condition, so that's cool. Size 9, 2 my size. That might be a pickup. We got some 2s down here. Same 2s that we found on the other side of the wall. Size 17 for $150. Some LeBrons. So on this men's wall over here, we got some Air Forces, lows, mids. Nothing crazy though. So over here we got some Dunks. Looks like it's the 85s. The color seems a little bit different though. It seems more of like a pinkish crimson color than the red that I think the men's comes in. 140. So unfortunately nothing there. And actually shout out to Joey, one of the employees there. He let me know that there probably wasn't anything crazy in the back either. Still good to stop by. I never go to this one, so it's kind of good to stop at a Nike outlet I never go to. So on to the next one. So first stop, the Refurbished section. Got some nice Air Max 97s, some Air Max 1 PRMs, size 8.5 for $85. Not bad. These are actually dope. Nothing else over here. We've got a bunch of refurbished stuff here. The Refurbished section's huge. I'm not seeing anything crazy though. Wow, it keeps going. Like Huaraches, more Huaraches. Not seeing anything refurbished. Oh, we got the Cosmic Unities. Got more of these 2s. I guess a lot of people return these. Here, the Jordan System 23. Oh, the clogs. I hate these. I really don't like these at all. But I bet they're comfy. They actually got a bunch of these Jordan Systems. I guess no one liked them. Got a bunch of Zions here in the orange colorway for $64. Not bad. We got some of the Jordan Series ESs. Again, not bad, but not worth it. Well, the farther I go, the more that they have of these. There's so many. Got some red Rochis. Bunch of them. They do have some decent stuff in the end cap. They've got like the Cardinals. They got some 1 lows, which are pretty clean. They got these 7s, some more 1 lows. I wonder if they have them over here. Let's see. Actually, not seeing them in here. I wonder where they're at. Oh wait, we got the KOs in purple. That's kind of cool. Got some golf Jordan 1s in white and green. So they just have a size 10 for $180. Got some 11 IEs. That's about it. Wait, over here they got the Undefeateds. Not much else. Got some Sakai's right here. 89 for the patent leathers and 109 for these gray and green ones. I've never seen these ones before. That's actually kind of cool to see. We got some of the ambushes again, this time for $79.99. Some more blazers. And some more Sakai blazers for $69.99. That's a great price if you want them, but no one wants them. Wait, I think we got the Billie Eilishes over here. The Air Force Ones. Look at that. Whole bunch of sizes for $140. It's actually kind of a cool Air Force. I kind of dig it. Like it's a patchwork situation, and it's like sort of a nylon underneath the nubuck or the suede material. That's actually kind of cool. Probably won't grab these, but it's cool to see them. So they got all sorts of stuff at the front. They've got like Palominos in a kid size. They've got 13s. They've got the Chicago to UNC 1 lows, all sorts of good stuff. I might grab the Palominos, but they are very small. They're size 4. Consuelo, they also have some of these pink corduroy Air Maxes. But that's about it. It's like in the women's section, they do have these 3s, these BC 3 golds. And then over here, they've got the DJ Khaled We The Bests. They've got some 6s, they've got some 3s, and then some 8s. See over here, let's see what sizes they have of these guys. So they've got a bunch of these 3s, 20% off 200. Okay, so it's $40 off. In so many different sizes of these. I think we did grab a pair from the outlet a while ago for like $80, so I'm not gonna grab these for $160, but it is cool to see them with the box. I don't know, maybe I should. What are these going for? Let me check them out. Nah, they're going for like $140, so I'm not gonna grab these, but cool to see a bunch of sizes if you're looking for them. The line is insane too. It's crazy. All right, still nothing. I can't believe it. And the one outlet I wanted to grab stuff at was the outlet we got told not to film anymore. That was lighting over there. I should probably I'm not gonna head home yet. We're gonna hit one more outlet. I just don't wanna give up yet. On foot today, in case you guys are wondering, we've got the Air Jordan 1 Reds from 2016, my favorite shoe of all time. Love this sneaker. Plus, of course, Apothecary socks. If you guys wanna grab Apothecary socks, link right there. Well, this sucks. Yo, I came all the way out to the Jersey Shore because I couldn't find anything. I'm talking like 2 hours worth of driving. And we're here, hopefully we find something. Otherwise, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Man, I hope we find something out here. We are so far away from home. Oh, so they've actually got some of the ambushes on the back wall here for an extra 20% off with the extra heel tabs too, which is kind of cool. I kind of want to grab one and 3D print a heel tab. I might do that. Got some more Hirachis in a size 9. Well, these are 8.5, but I think we go with size 9 up here. That's pretty cool. Got some Nike Air Vapormax Pluses for $119. Got some of the Billie Eilish Air Force Ones on the wall, so 20% off. Got some LeBrons. We see these at every outlet. Hold up, we got a bunch of Air Jordan 2s in women's sizes. I'm gonna have to get my wife a pair of these. That's actually crazy. I did not expect to find these. They have the same 3s here, which is not bad. And they got some of the Nina Chanel 2s, 20% off. These ones look like they're just a solid 200, so actually worse deal than at the last outlet. Dang, maybe I'll get this 2s for my wife. I wanna grab something. They got the Sakai Blazers for $109. Same gray and green pair that we've seen before. Same patent leather ones. Got the Undefeateds right here, as they did in every outlet. Yo, this place is absolutely packed. I can't find anything or anywhere to even film because there's just nothing. Let me see what they have behind the counter. I can't film it, but I can tell you guys. Let's see. We've got One Lows. How's it going? Yeah. I was just looking.
Following on YouTube.
Oh, that's awesome, man. Yeah, it's good to meet you, man. Pleasure. What size do you guys have in the one Lows right there? Perfect. I'll grab it. And it looks like for everything behind the counter, it's additional 20% off. So we did end up grabbing something from the Nike outlet. The hours worth of driving, I wouldn't say it was worth it, but at least we have something to show for it. And that, of course, is this pair of Air Jordan 1s. Now, I grabbed these behind the counter. I couldn't get much footage of it just because there was a bunch of people there, and it's also weird to film. Like, I'm not gonna film employees. So it was a little bit more difficult to film this process, but we were able to grab the Air Jordan 1 Low Atmosphere Gray, which usually retails for $140 in a size 8, which is not my size, but I'll talk more about that in a second. We grabbed it for $112. So that is $28 off. Is that right? $28 off. And I actually did check these out on StockX before I bought them just to make sure that they were worthwhile. And I think on StockX they go for like $120. So after fees, you'd be paying more like $130, $140, closer to retail. So we did get a deal on these. And because these aren't my size, I am actually gonna give these guys away on Whatnot. I do have a stream coming up in the next week or two. So if you guys wanna check that out, make sure to click the link in the description below. Follow me on Whatnot, sign up using that link, you get $10 towards your first purchase. And you might have a chance to win this pair and more pairs for yourself for free. The only other shoe I really wanted to grab were those OG2s for my wife, but I looked on StockX and they're going for like $80 and they were selling there for $200, maybe with 20% off. And even then it's still $160, so definitely not worth it. This is probably the worst outlet trip I've ever filmed. I mean, we got kicked out of, we didn't get kicked out, we got told not to film in the outlet where I probably would have bought stuff because there was some decent stuff like the Bordeaux 5s and things like that. Stuff that would have, you know, been interesting to grab. And we just only bought one pair of sneakers. Usually we buy like 5 or 6, and that's just because there was nothing today. I don't know if it's because it's a Saturday and everyone's grabbing everything or because it's, you know, everyone just went back to school so they've already bought up all the good stuff. I have no idea, but either way, it's been a blast hanging out with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out Soul Premise in the top of the description below, and I will see you all in the next one.